The longitudinal differential protection of transformer can not only correctly distinguish the short circuit inside and outside the protection area, but also instantaneously remove the fault in the protection area. Therefore, transformer longitudinal differential protection is one of the main protections of transformer. The transformer longitudinal differential protection is based on the principle of comparing the magnitude and phase of the current on each side of the protected transformer. In order to achieve this comparison, a group of current transformers TA are installed on each side of the transformer. The polarity of the primary current circuit of the current transformer is terminated on the bus side. Connect the same polarity terminal on the secondary side of the current transformer. The longitudinal differential protection device is connected to the secondary circuit of current transformer in parallel. The figure shows the single-phase schematic wiring diagram of longitudinal differential protection of double-winding transformer. The figure shows the single-phase schematic wiring diagram of ratio braking transformer longitudinal differential protection. When the ratio braking transformer longitudinal differential protection is connected, the currents on both sides of the transformer are respectively connected to the differential protection device, and the differential current and action current are calculated by the device. Three-phase principal wiring diagram of longitudinal differential protection for double-winding transformer. If it is a three-winding transformer, current transformers shall be installed on all three sides to introduce the current on all three sides into the protection device. The protection scope of transformer longitudinal differential protection is all areas defined by current transformer TA on each side of transformer, i.e. transformer high and low voltage winding, bushing, outgoing line, etc.